In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if microphone is not working on your window. So let's get started. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on privacy and security. And then you have to scroll down and under app permissions, you can find microphone. Click on that. Make sure microphone access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. So make sure this is enabled. And you have here let apps access your microphone. Make sure this is enabled too, especially for the application that needs to access your microphone. You can enable that from here, like WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Teams, and then Zoom or any other applications. Okay, you can enable that from here. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type sound settings. Okay, click on sound settings under the best match. Now here we need to scroll down and we can find more sound settings. Click on that. So in this window, make sure to choose the right microphone, okay? So once you choose your right microphone, simply click on that and click on set default. Make sure to set this as the default device. Then click on properties and here you'll find advanced tab. Just make sure that it is everything from here and then you have to click on levels. Make sure this is not muted. You can also set this to the maximum, okay? And then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then click on OK and then close this and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.